how to use the safety check on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work on the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. First, open the personal safety application. So type in here safety, and then this app will show up. Click on it. Click on safety check. Now make sure to prepare the emergency setup. So click on setup. And then here you can review your emergency contacts. If you haven't added emergency contact, go ahead and add one. Then click on next. And here make sure the real-time location is turned on. Then click on next. Then here click on next. Click on while using the app. Now click on safety check again. So the safety check is great if you're going somewhere alone and you're not 100% sure if you're going to be safe. So it sends updates to your emergency contacts if you don't check in. And it's also like very useful like if you're going on hikes or you're going like late out at night and you want to make sure you stay safe. So first pick the reason. So you can pick walking alone, going for a run. So I'll just pick walking alone. And then you have to pick the duration, after which you have to check in on your device. If you didn't check in, your emergency contacts will be notified and the emergency services will be called. So click on next. So here you can choose which emergency contacts to notify, then click on start. So this will start the emergency check. You can call 911 whenever you feel unsafe. You can also do emergency sharing or you can just stop the whole process. So after exactly 1 hour, you have to go on your device and check in. That's how to use Safety Check on your Google Pixel device. Thank you for watching.